Hi. Hello friends, it's Shalene and welcome to my channel. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Today I have a subscription box. It's usually one of my favorites, even though sometimes I get disappointed with it. This is the Ipsy BOXYCHARM for September. So September 23. And so let's get to it. All right, wasn't planning on filming so much today. This is my 4th or 5th video. Comes with a little pamphlet, which it hasn't. Last month it didn't, but it's a smaller thing. Talks about power picks. It shows you what the power pick choices were for the month, so that's kind of nice. So you can look and see the ones you didn't get and wish you had of. Does anyone else ever do that? It's like, oh wait, I would have rather had that. But sometimes Ipsy does pretty good for me. They pick, at least one of them is usually something that I really like. So anyway, so there's that. This month's theme is Find Your Groove. And so I'm just gonna start out with my power picks first. And they are, the first thing I got is from Laura Geller. And it is a palette. It's got eyeshadows and I believe it has eyeshadow, highlighter, maybe a bronzer. We'll see. Okay, let's open this up. It's kind of a pretty palette. It's small. Very neutral. Looks like two highlighters. One's more of a golden and one's just a clear. It's got just neutral colors. It's not a bad palette. It's just not super exciting to me. It's neutral. If you don't have a lot of makeup and you like neutrals, then you would love this palette. I just have so many choices that it's probably not one of my favorite palettes, but I do like Laura Geller, so there's that. So that was my first power pick. The power picks are the things that they pick for us. So that was the first one. And the second one is from Yenza Beauty. And this is Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream. I've heard good things about this. I heard it helps with puffiness and whatnot. And so this Yenza Beauty, the second power pick, it is valued at $48, and this is a full-size product. Well, they all are. All 5 or 6 items I got are full-size. It is a moisturizer, but like I said, it says hit refresh on your complexion. With this anti-aging face cream, it uses antioxidant-rich pink lotus extract and firming peptides to help brighten, depuff, and smooth tired and dull skin. So I like the sound of that. So anyway, I think this will feel good on the skin. I will use this. So it's not a bad item to get. I don't know if it's one I would have picked if I had a choice, but that's okay. So I do want to mention that the eyeshadow palette from Laura Geller is valued at $20. So it's not a real high-end product, but anyway, it's okay. All right, so the next thing are my picks. Now my first choice, there was like they only gave me 4 choices, and I'm gonna put I'll put the list here of what my choices were. There was not one thing I wanted, not one, not even one. Okay, but since I had to choose one, I got this Keys lip product. This is, it's from Keys Soul Care. It's a tinted lip balm, and the color is Inspiration. So it's kind of a, it looks like kind of a plummy color, which may not be bad on me. I know it's real, it's supposed to be real fine, not a real pigmented. It's pretty case. It feels good. It's, yeah. It's valued at $18. Say Goodbye to Dry Lips. And this is packed with nourishing ingredients, vitamin-rich avocado oil, and moisturizing camellia seed oil. Okay, so there's that. Goes on very sheer. It's not exactly my color, but you know what? If you're going with a no lip look, this might be nice. This is probably a good one to keep in your purse. So anyway, kind of like it. Actually, the color's not bad. So, you know, I guess I can say something good about a choice that I didn't really want to make. Okay, my next choice is actually, Okay, my next choice, and I wasn't happy really about any of my choices. None of them stood out to me, but they had this Dermalactives. It's Dermalactives Energizing Body Lotion, and this is valued at $35. It's a pretty good sized bottle. So I don't know. Let's see if I don't know if I have to undo. I probably do, but you know what? I'll use it right away. So let me do this so I can give you an impression of what I think. They do say, who has time for dry skin? Not us, which is why this ultra moisturizing lotion is a no-brainer. It's weightless and hydrating, leaving your skin looking and feeling nourished, refreshed, and energized thanks to its uplifting scent. So it does have a scent. Got it open. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of this hand. It's kind of, it is, like I said, it's thin. It's kind of, it's very lightweight. So, and it goes a long way. So I can tell a difference just I've put it on my hand, how much moisture, more, my hand looks really moisturized. So it is a light scent. Not one I can describe. It kind of has a fruity floral smell, but it's real light, so it's not like overbearing. So very nice. I'm actually happy with that. You don't usually get things like this in our boxes, so I'm kind of happy with that. And this is a high-end product, so I like that. The next thing I have in here is that this is what I picked, and it is the Mud Masky. Once again, I didn't have a lot of choices, so I went with the hair product. I trying to do so much to my hair right now. So this is it's in vitamin infused scalp serum, and let's see, I can't read what it says on here. Dandruff control, scalp soothing, repairs hair, volumizing, anti-hair loss. And the thing about it, it's valued at $65. Okay, Mud Masky, they're not cheap products, and so they better work, right? It says happy scalp, happy life. You just, what I think was different about this, it says using your fingertips, massage a teaspoon of the serum into your scalp and leave it on. So it doesn't even say, it's not something you use in the shower, before the shower, or whatever. It's just, you can put it on any time. So, should we try it? Another bottle to open. Sealed, of course. Okay, got it. I have that lotion on my hands right now, but let's see if it smells. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna kind of shake it. May have been out in the sun, I don't know. I kind of shake it. So it seems kind of like a thin, it says a teaspoon amount. Okay, so it's a clear, I don't know if you can see that, stripping down. It's a clear, so, and they say just to put it in your scalp. I guess it's definitely volumizing, isn't it? Trying to get my scalp all. I don't know if it's going to make it look greasy. Kind of, I can't really tell on the video, but so very light scent, if any, just really light. It's, again, it kind of runs the lines of this. It was actually, maybe that's what I'm smelling, but it's just kind of a clean, just really light scent. I like it. Okay, so there's that. Then we go to my Power Pick, and my Power Pick is okay, so this is a product from Juice Beauty, and I am loving these containers that they put these in now. This is valued at $70. It's a full-size moisturizer. So I've been getting a lot of moisturizer lately, but I need moisturizer, so that's good. This is Juice Beauty. Like I said, I love these pump. I love these pump things. So the choices weren't, the boost choices weren't all that great. Once again, I'll have those up on the screen and show you what my choices were, but I think it was the highest priced and probably the best overall product in my opinion, so I got it. There's one more thing in my box, and I have no idea what this is from. So, do they give you, does anyone know what this might be from? Did everyone get this in their box? Or was it something that I got gifted from something? I don't know. Anyway, it's Murillo Twins Beauty by Beauty Creations, and it says, once again, it says Quad Goals is what it's called. So it's quad, it's a face palette that is pretty blush and bronzer. I heard something is ringing a bell about this, but I have no idea why it's in my BOXYCHARM box. So if you know, let me know in the comments. If you know what that's about. Looks like a decent face palette. I right now have so many face palettes. So if anyone out there is looking for a face palette, hit me up. Maybe I'll send you one. So I love face palettes, but sometimes, you know, I have a lot. So also with this, I'm probably going to give this away. It's fun. But if you're a big makeup person and have lots of makeup, it's not really a super exciting addition. So that's that. So I got the Laura Geller palette. I got the Keys lip product, which I was surprised with. Really kind of like it, actually. In fact, I'm going to... I just put lip product in my last video. So who knows what my lips look like now. Anyway, so those two. I got the lotion, the Dermalactives lotion. The Mud Masky hair mask. And the Yenza Beauty moisturizer, which sounds great to me. So I got those. So that's kind of exciting. I got my Beauty Boost, which is you pay an extra $15 a month to get a really high-end product, something you would not, well, something I would not normally be able to afford. So I do like getting the Beauty Boost. So far, I've been somewhat happy with them all. This was kind of one of my least favorite so far. And then this thing, this, I don't know. I'm still mystery to me why I got that, but there's that. So what do you think of the box? It was just okay for me this month. It's funny because sometimes I don't get all that excited about my choices and everything, but when I see the overall box, I'm usually happy, just because the value's always there. You're getting, you know, in a $30 box or 32. How much do we pay for our boxes? Let me see. I can't. Okay, on my account, I forget how much I pay, so I should have that information for you because I buy it annually, so I get a little bit less. But I think it's around $33 a box. So there's that. And you know what? I just figured out this right here. I think I purchased this in the points shop. So I think I had a lot of points. In fact, I still have a lot of points I need to use, but the points shop is not that exciting to me. But when I saw this, I thought it was a good value for the points. So I went and picked this up. So that is the mystery right there. So that's why I got this. So I'm surprised I got my BOXYCHARM before I got my Ipsy glam bag. It still hasn't come. And maybe it's because I got a lot of add-ons and the add-ons come with the bag. So that will be a video for next week. Anyway, so that's it for this video. And I think it's my last filming of the day, which is good because it's already starting to get dark. It's 6:18 here. It's not starting to get dark. It usually gets dark around 7 o'clock. But anyway, so what do you think of the box? Let me know in the comments. I would love if you'd support my channel by subscribing, hitting the like button. I appreciate your support. And also, I guess that's it. So thanks, and we will see you all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.